finally, StangMode has come back to drag racing, guys. It's been so long, and we're here. No more talking. We're here with a 2024, my personal Mustang. We're calling Papa Smurf.
Good.
Yeah, audio. Alright. What is up, fam? Host message finds you all Wonger spirits. Finally, StangMode has come back to drag racing, guys. It's been so long, and we're here. No more talking. We're here with a 2024, my personal Mustang. We're calling Papa Smurf. My first ever grabber blue. It's bone stock, 10-speed 5.0, non-performance pack. It does have the active exhauster at 480 horsepower. We went to our friends at Evolution Performance, puts little Mickeys on the stock tires, so we're hooked. Let's see what it does. Let's baseline it. Let the build begin. But first, before any further, a moment from our sponsor. We have 24 Mustang content, but what do we have? More importantly, our fastest giveaway ever is live for the 69 Mach 1. So go now on 3supply.com, grab some merch. You're entered to win. It is our fastest giveaway ever. Every $1 spent is an entry to win this beautiful, beautiful car. All right, on to the video. Let's go. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, let me show you what we did real quick. This is a non-performance pack, 400A, 5.0, 10-speed. You put a Mickey ET Street SS to fit the 20x9. It's 275, 40, 20, and that's it. We got about a half a tank, 93 octane, put about 24 PSI. DA looks good, it's about 65 degrees. It's time. Let's get it. Let's go. We're gonna go into drag strip mode, my favorite mode. We go down on the toggle here to drag strip. All right. Then what we do is we're gonna go to traction controller. We're gonna hold that down, make sure our advanced track is off. We're turning that off. We're Gucci. Then we go to, let's go to features, and then we go to My Mustang, and we go to track apps. Our line lock is there. And we're ready to race. All right, see you at the drag strip. Baseline time, I would like a low 12, high 11, but we shall see what it does. Hot lap this thing. We'll see what it did. We had to give it a healthy burnout because that's the, that's the first break-in of the ET Street SS. Not much drama. Thank you. So 12.4 at 115 was our first ever pass with the bone stock 24. So far, stock for stock, Mamba was faster. We went 12.1 and 11.9 with Mamba. 115 trap speed, 2060. Let's run it again. Let's try to get into the foot brake a little bit harder and see if we can get closer to a lower 12. I don't think we're gonna crack no high 11 tonight because we're about way off. One of the things I've seen is the there's a lot of limiters on this. So let me see if something's kicking me out, because it feels like it's short shifting a little bit at the top. But we'll run it back and see what happens. So 12.4 at 115. So Mamba was about 3/10 faster stock. It went 12.1 at 119. So we're gonna try it again. It seems that there's some governors and limiters on this guy, but remember, this is bone stock baseline. We'll try to get out of here with low 12. We're gonna hot lap it and see what it does. All right, guys, so we're here for the second pass. First pass was 12.4 at 115, and there didn't seem to be any drama on hooking. We'll see what happens. All right, we're gonna hot lap this bad boy. Faster, but I'm gonna call that a 12.30, maybe a high 12.2 at about 116, 117. I don't know if a taller tire is potentially hurting me with the ET Street SS, but I'm definitely hooking. So when we get time, I'll still run these with the stock tires, but we're doing very similar to what the 2018 S450 do stock. But again, Mamba was an exception to the rule, going 12.1 and 11.9 with the tire. But that was November air. We are September 1st air. That does play a factor. I'm also fatter, so that plays a role in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull over, give the car a break, take a look at the slips, see what we got. Right. Almost on the money what I called during the strip. We got a 12.3 at 116. Same 2060 foot, so that was on a hot lap. So I could say it's a 12.3.1. I could say in better air with some rate reduction, this will be a 12.20, 12.1. But it looks like we're at our best of 12.3 at 116 to baseline the 24 Mustang GT non-performance pack, 5.010 speed, with 355 gears, with the active exhaust.
See you later. We're prepared. crossing the stripe. First at the top end.
So that was
Also, racers, reminder, when our lights come on, your lights need to be on. So if you're going down the racetrack,
12.3.
headlights and taillights must
A
be
tenth
on.
better and a mile an hour better. Check it out.
See you.
Baselining the 2024 Mustang GT 9-performance pack. 12.3.
So for those of you guys out there, All-Star Prep,
So there you have it, guys.
5 and 6. Again, All-Star Prep.
12.3, 12.2-ish, I'm going to call. Basically identical to an S550 2018 10-speed 5.0 is what you'll get. This is a non-performance pack. I don't think that's going to make much of a difference. Mamba was a couple tenths faster. I made a joke. It's also because I'm fatter since I raced Mamba stock. But car felt easy peasy. I feel like it shifted shorter as it went down the track, but that's because it's a stock tune. We baselined it. I hope this helps you guys know what you're getting into with a stock 2024 Mustang. Guys, there you have it. Bone stock 12.3 at 116. No, not an 8-second at 124, but 12.3 at 116 for the Papa Smurf baseline for the 2024 Mustang quarter mile. More to come. We got mods galore. We got suspension. We got exhaust. And you know we got boost coming. So there's so much on the way. Like and subscribe as we find the limits of this new platform, because you know it never ends.